How's it going, everyone? Jacob Rothenberg here with eXp Realty. And did you know that Las Vegas has a Filipino town? So, being Filipino myself, one aspect of California that I missed was having a cultural community, like having a Filipino town present in Las Vegas. But come to find out that there is a section by West Flamingo and Maryland Parkway where you've got Seafood City, Ranch 99, and a lot of other familiarities that you might be accustomed to in the Bay Area. So let's take a look at what's around. So the main shopping center in Filipino town is going to be Seafood City. Seafood City is a chain that was also present in California, in Concord, Vallejo, Sacramento, and I believe several other locations. And it appears we have it in Vegas as well. In addition to Seafood City, you've got other Filipino restaurants that you might want to check out. So, inside Seafood City, we've got Jollibee, Red Ribbon, all the mainstays that you would expect in a Filipino shopping center. So I love Jollibee's especially. My favorite is Grill City. You've just got so many options between tilapia, liempo, chicken barbecue, squid, whole other slew of sides, as far as just different desserts and pancit, pork if you're into that, just all sorts of different varieties. So it's a mainstay, and both my mother and I love coming here, and I like coming here just by myself every once in a while when I want to get into a Filipino mood, so to speak. Along with that, you do have a place for halo halo. I haven't gone to Crispy Town yet, but it does look good if you want that crispy, crunchy Filipino type food. You've got also like desserts to go, and really it's a fully fledged supermarket, so everything you need is here. I was actually coming here during the pandemic, first arriving, because everyone was avoiding the Asian market to get groceries. Easy score. So at Grill City, here's a lineup of what I had to choose from earlier today. And as you can tell, you've got chicken, fish, pork, all sorts of sides. And I ended up going with rice, barbecue chicken, and then palabok. Sometimes it takes me a while to remember the Tagalog translations, and my mom went with fish, and yeah, so there's a lot to go through in Filipino town, and you won't feel like you're missing out.